What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to install a plug-and-play remote starter for my 22 Ford Maverick XLT. This is the kit that I bought. I'll link it down below. Should be fairly simple. We just got to unplug from the back of the OBD2 port right back here. There's going to be a tab that you're going to push up on. I don't know if you can kind of see right here. It's going to be a tab. Unplug that. So then we're going to plug in the T-harness. Need some extra wiring that we don't necessarily need for this install. Like all that, you can get tossed aside. We're going to need this module. And this is the T-harness. We're going to plug it in. Yeah, that works. So T-harness, plug in here, plug it back into the back of the OBD2 port, if I can find it. Just like that. And then we're gonna take the 4-wire, this one, because there's the one with the tab, the blue one. We don't need those, we just need this one. And what we're going to do, it plugs into wait, do I have to plug in the white one? I don't think so. Hold on, because we got to program it. Let me double check here. So while holding the button down, there's a button here, this one right here. While holding the button down, you're going to insert the black 4-pin data link. Take the wires while holding the button. I'm going to plug in the 4-pin black wire, 4-pin black. Yeah, 4-pin. And then release when it's blue. Okay, now that it's blue, you can see it's kind of blue right here. So it's solid blue. Now we insert the white 5-pin as this one. Now we insert the white 5-pin. Now that the white 5-pin is inserted right here, turn the ignition on. That was actually going to be a really good song that was about to play, but copyright. The blue LED will flash rapidly. Press and release the push start button once to turn off the ignition. Blue LED will turn off. And now do the ignition back to on again. Second position. The yellow light should be on, which it is. You can see it right down there. And then turn off. Yellow light should turn off. All right. So therefore, it should be programmed. Have the key in my hand. It's going to be a lock, unlock, lock. I don't think it programmed. What? Hey! We got remote start now. All right, now let's test the, if we hit the brake, it should shut off. It does not shut off when you hit the brake, but it will not let you put it into drive. So to drive, turn key on. We can go into drive, we can go into park, shut it off, lock, unlock, lock. I think I did too fast. Lock, unlock, lock. That makes me really, really happy that I have remote start again. Because F-150 has had a check engine light for a few years. So the remote start doesn't work if you have a check engine light on. And then when I got this truck, again, didn't have a remote start. Even though I unlocked everything in the system. So there is a, you might have to go in with ForeScan. I have a video about ForeScan that you have to unlock the computer or unlock it in the system in the truck itself, because this one had it unlocked, and most likely if you have Ford Pass on your phone already and it works with Ford Pass, you don't have to go into ForeScan or anything like that. But if it's not working on your phone and you want it off your key fob, this is actually a really pretty cheap way of doing it, or cost effective way. This was like 130 bucks on Amazon. Again, I'll link it down below. Ford wanted a few $100 for their module for me to do it off the key or to get the separate fob, but I don't like having a bunch of fobs with me all the time. I carry this and my earbuds on my basically key ring at work, and my other keys are just, it's a ball of keys, but it's the same size as like 2 fobs. I didn't want to carry more fobs at work if I don't have to. Yeah, I could leave this in the truck and just use a keypad, but anyways, remote start is installed. We're just going to tuck that up, zip tie it all up underneath the dash, and then yeah, we're good to go. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Hopefully it helps, and I will catch you guys later. Oh, this is a really bad angle, isn't it? How are we doing this? Like that and like that. Yeah. Yeah, cool. Okay. Oh, not okay.